Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Adobe Sign for automated AI approval routes step by step clearly. To authenticate with Adobe Sign for automated AI approval routes, start by navigating to the Adobe Sign website. Log in with your Adobe ID and password. Once logged in, locate and click on the account icon in the upper right corner. Select Adobe Sign from the drop-down menu. In the Adobe Sign dashboard, find the Settings option on the left-hand menu. Click on API under the Settings to access the API Management section. Here, look for the Authenticate button to initiate the authentication process. Select the authentication method that best fits your needs, such as OAuth 2.0. If you choose OAuth 2.0, you will be prompted to create an integration. Fill in the required fields, including the integration name and redirect URI. Once completed, click on the Create button to generate your client ID and client secret. Make sure to securely store the client ID and secret for future use. Next, navigate back to the API Management section and find the Access Management section. Here, specify the necessary permissions for your integration. Save your changes to ensure that the permissions are set correctly. After configuring permissions, return to the Adobe Sign homepage. To set up automated approval routes, locate the Workflow option in the left-hand menu. Create a new workflow by clicking on the New Workflow button. Follow the prompts to define the steps for your automated approval process. Integrate your authentication details into your workflow setup. Test the workflow by sending a sample document for approval. Monitor the document's status through the Adobe Sign dashboard. Adjust settings as necessary based on the feedback received. Now you have successfully authenticated with Adobe Sign and set up automated AI approval routes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.